Hello everyone, welcome to another live today, and we're going to discuss why you should join this challenge since you still have time. That actually the challenge starts next week, next Monday. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments and where you are watching me from. Let's discuss what we're going to cover in this challenge and why we call it a challenge and not a course, because we're going to implement a small task on a daily basis. So no more excuses. I've been listening lately, many colleagues that they're telling me that LinkedIn doesn't work, that they don't get a desirable, let's say, content from other people, that people are trying to sell. I have news for you. Most probably you're not using LinkedIn the proper way. So I'm here to teach you how to use properly LinkedIn with a specific purpose to start attracting your ideal clients. So if you don't like the content of other colleagues, stop following other colleagues. If you don't like, in general, the content, be more strategical and start using LinkedIn with a purpose. That's the first thing we're going to change, your mindset during those 5 days. You still have time to catch up, and the link is here, as you see, passing through vmentoring.com/LinkedIn-challenge. And of course, you will find in the description box of this video. But of course, I'm here to answer any kind of questions, and we're going to start with what we're going to cover. Before the actual presentation of the content of the challenge itself, I would like to introduce myself for those that you do not know me. I'm a certified translator since 2007. Myself, I've studied 5 years translation here in Greece and the Department of Translation in Interpreting at Corfu. It's the only dedicated department for translation and at the Ionian University. And I also got my MBA, Master's in Business Administration in 2019, and my thesis was on client acquisition strategies for language professionals. So academically speaking, I have also an interest in researching about the topic, currently being a PhD candidate, concluding my studies hopefully the upcoming year. So I combine my academic background with my business background because apart from being a certified translator, I have built my own business since 2014, translation business, and since 2019, I've built my coaching online business, so I can help you to attract your ideal clients online. And through those free trainings, no strings attached, we will be able to get to know each other and to help you to change the way that you see, speaking of the current, let's say, challenge, of how you see LinkedIn so far. So this is going to be a free 5-day LinkedIn challenge. Day number 1, Monday, April 6th, next Monday, okay, less than 1 week. Ready to attract your high-paying client, okay, high-quality client. So we're going to actually, let me take you through the presentation. The first day is going to be delivered. Actually, everything is going to be online, and you will be able to get to know who your ideal client is. Why this matters? Because you will be able to attract clients ready to invest if you know who is your ideal client. So it saves you time by targeting the right audience and focus on growing your business effectively. So it's really important. Most of you are telling me that you really struggle. So day number 1, we're going to actually overcome this challenge. Day number 2, with a different task, you're going to create a powerful headline for your LinkedIn profile. So we're going to optimize your LinkedIn profile specifically for the ideal clients that we identified on day number 1. So it's a step-by-step process. Your LinkedIn headline is the key to attracting more profile views. I have helped colleagues to attract even 2,000% more views by just adjusting their headline. The headline is the title underneath of your name, with the right information that we're going to cover. And why headline matters? Because your headline is often the first thing that potential clients see. It accompanies your name everywhere on LinkedIn. When you comment, you like, let's say, are in a discussion with your other colleagues, the first thing, or clients, the first thing they see next to your name is your headline. So a compelling headline helps you position yourself as a go-to expert, attract high-paying clients, because technically speaking, the algorithm of LinkedIn is able to understand who's your ideal client through the content of your headline, and will be able to boost the visibility of your profile to the right audience. And of course, you will be able to increase your connection request and inquiries. Day number 3, on Wednesday, April 8th, you're going to create your message to send to your ideal clients, okay? So it's going to be a task about crafting the perfect message. So no more excuses. You're telling me, Gina, I do not know how to open a conversation. I do not know how to actually add my ideal clients, or I've been trying and they're ghosting me. So why message matters? Because a well-crafted message can help you stand out from competition, lead to booked appointment. Like many of people that they worked with me, colleagues in the previous rounds of this challenge, they were able to get booked appointments, and of course even results in gaining new clients.